Hello friends, welcome. Let's look at this interesting example as part of trigonometry 10th grade syllabus. It's actually an IIT problem asked in 2009. So let me just write it down. Maybe that will give you a little bit of more interest to solve this problem. That's an IIT 2009. Okay, right. So we have been given sine to the power of 4x by 2 plus cos to the power of 4x by 3 equal to 1 by 5. We have to find out what is the value of sine to the power of 8x by 8 plus cos to the power of 8x by 27. That's equal to how much? It's actually a multiple choice question where you have some different values are given, but we'll try to take it as a problem and try to find it out what is the value of this. Okay, right. Now for that, what we will do, now this is what is given to us as input, and we have been asked to find out the values of an expression which is having sine to the power of 8x and cos to the power of 8x. So first I will try to find out either sine square x value or cos square x value by converting this into a quadratic equation. How can we do that? Suppose I want to convert this whole thing into cos to the power of cos square x, quadratic equation in cos square x, then I will convert sine to the power of 4x as, I'll write down here, sine to the power of 4x is equal to sine square x whole square. So can I write it as 1 minus cos square x whole square? So that I can substitute, then it will become a quadratic equation in cos square x. So let's go ahead and do that. My first step will be, I'll first multiply throughout with the LCM of this 2, 3, 5. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 5? 30. So I'll multiply with 30 so that I will avoid the fractions. I will have 15 sine to the power of 4x plus 10 cos to the power of 4x is equal to 150. Because we are multiplying throughout with 30, 30 by 2 is 15, 30 by 3 is 10, and we have 30 by 5, it's actually is equal to 6. Let me write it down. Okay. Now, idea is to convert this sine to the power of 4x as write it as 1 minus cos square x whole square, then get a quadratic equation in cos square x and solve for cos square x. Once we got the cos square x, we can easily find out what is the value of sine square x, because we know cos square x plus sine square x equal to 1. Then we can substitute and we can find out the values of whatever is needed. Okay. Let me just try to convert this into quadratic equation of cos square x. For that, I'll write down 15 into 1 minus cos square x whole square plus 10 into cos to the power of 4x is equal to 6. Now if you expand this, I'll have 15 plus 15 cos to the power of 4x minus 30 cos square x plus 10 cos to the power of 4x minus 6 is equal to 0. Simplify that, we will have 25 cos to the power of 4x, then we'll have minus 30 cos square x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in cos square x, which you can write it as actually 25t square minus 30t plus 9, where t equal to cos square x, and you know that this is nothing but equal to 5t minus 3 whole square. You can check that 5t a minus b whole square, a square is 25t square, b square is 9, and 2ab is minus 30t. So I can write it as 5 cos square x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. That gives me 5 cos square x equal to 3, or can I say cos square x equal to 3 by 5, and by that we know that sin square x will be 2 by 5. How we get it? Because we know cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So let's go and try to find out the value now. Now let's substitute the value of cos square x, sin square x in what we need. We have sine to the power of 8x, so can I write it as sine square x whole to the power of 4 divided by 8 plus cos square x whole to the power of 4 divided by 27. This is what we have to find out. We know sin square x is 3 by 5. So can I say 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 8 plus I have cos square x, actually it is sin square x is 2 by 5. Let me just change that one. Sin square x is 2 by 5. So I have 2 by 5 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 8 plus cos square x whole to the power of 4, that is 3 by 5 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 27. Let's try to simplify this. We'll have 2 power 4 is 16 and 5 to the power of 4 is 625. Multiply that with 1 by 8 plus 3 power 4 is 81 divided by 5 power 4 is 625. Multiply with 1 by 27. 27 will go 3 times and 8 will go 2 times. So you'll have 2 by 625 plus 3 by 625. That's equal to 5 by 625, which is equal to 1 by 125. So the answer for sin to the power of 8x by 8 plus cos to the power of 8x by 27 is 1 by 125. So let me just summarize how we have solved this. We have been given sin to the power of 4x by 2 plus cos to the power of 4x by 3 is equal to 1 by 5. We have to find out the value of sin to the power of 8x by 8 plus cos to the power of 8x by 27. So we see that we can convert this into a quadratic equation in either cos square x or sin square x, because we know if you take sin square x or cos square x as t, you know the other one can be written as in terms of that. So now we find out cos square x value as 3 by 5. Then we know by cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1, sin square x is 2 by 5. Now straightforward you can go ahead and substitute the values and you will get the answer. So that's an interesting example from trigonometry. So I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.